Hey guys, yeah, just a quick update on the mechanical side of my project. Here's the Volkswagen 1.9 turbo diesel motor. I'm getting it ready to put in the van. Today I got the rear main seal replaced, got the adapter plate back on, just kind of figuring out what I'm going to do with the rear coolant flange. Found out the 1.6 has a metal flange, which I think I'm going to take and lop off. Makes like a 90-degree angle. Just kind of cut off the end here, and so it'll just come out and flow to the side rather than the firewall. And I think that'll be okay once it's in there. This hard metal line is going to come off. It's the oil feed line for the turbo. I've got a better, stainless one on my 1.6. This is the old motor, 1.6 turbo diesel. You can see it's got a nice solid coating of oil and diesel. There's the braided line I'm going to remove and put on the other one, so that'll be easier. On this one I actually put a straight block-off plate on the back of the head. I didn't really want to do that again, so yeah, I'm going to try and do a 90-degree hose off the end. There's the clutch and stuff off the conversion. Did pressure wash the transmission today because it was looking pretty ugly. So it actually cleaned up pretty good. Obviously not perfect, but it got rid of a lot of the oil and grime, so I will kind of get on reassembling things. I'm also swapping out the coolant flange on the side here, probably, to the more basic 1.6. It's just got a single temp sensor instead of two massive 8 plugs. Yeah, so just a quick update. I do have to change my downpipe on the turbo. The turbos are of course different from the 1.9 to the 1.6, so this one's got a much larger flange plate. I'll show you the old one. So the old one, if you can see down there, it's just a simple square. So probably do something similar to that, just get a piece of stock metal and cut it to fit, then swap it out. So that's my super simple tiny exhaust. I was running a straight pipe for a while, but got rid of that. I haven't really done a van tour a bit. It's in pieces, so this is it as it stands. I think I'm going to swap the Recaros out for some Chrysler Town and Country seats, which I have hiding over there somewhere. But yeah, gotta finish off the electrical. Looks worse than it is, but essentially I pulled everything out, so there's nothing left in here. And I'm gonna be redoing it all. No more split style single gauge. It's gonna be the digital gauge, hopefully, digital cluster. Still kind of trying to figure out how I want to have it set up. I will probably be putting it in the Mark II dash, which I've shown before in my videos, but part of me just wants to just have the screen sitting up on this dash and keep everything else the way it is, but I don't know, I gotta figure that out. So otherwise the back's storage and hasn't been camped in quite a while, so got to get a move on, so it's ready for next year at this point. On the to-do list is these adjusters. I don't know if you can really see them in there, but yeah, basically adjusters for the front beam so I can adjust it better and actually raise it up a bit. I'm going to be swapping these wheels out. I do have some Mercedes 16-inch ones there. So I'm probably going to clean up the steel wheels and put, here's the Town and Country seats. I got the whole rear set, but I'm probably not going to do anything with the rear three. I might use the single one, maybe it's like a rear facing seat. But yeah, let's see. The brackets seem pretty basic, so lots of Vanagon guys have swapped them, so I'll hopefully do that pretty easily. But yeah, I think I'm going to get rid of these wheels. Just put the steelies on, maybe repaint them white so they kind of go more vintage. And I'm probably going to repaint those orange ones. Did that when I was like 25. Probably just paint them black. There's my dual radiator setup. Haven't really ever done any videos or pictures on this much, but basically I have them set up to run under the belly of the bus. As you can see, when I finished the brackets, I literally just mounted it unpainted, bare metal, and now they've got all the surface rust on them. So I got to take them off and fix them, repaint them. I'm also going to cut them down a bit. They are super heavy duty, thick metal, super heavy. Like, it's really quite heavy to lift and move around. So probably going to cut them down, redesign them a little bit, but they work, so that's good. I'm going to also raise up this end of the radiators, the top end here, which is the rear facing. So this faces this end is the rear of the motor, rear of the bus. So yeah, I'm going to raise them up and figure out the fans a little better. I did just have this double setup on here, which is super tiny. This is my brother's from the garage. I might steal it, but yeah, basically I'm going to set it up a little better. Yes, it's a bit of a quick update. I think my brother's coming home now, so I'm going to quit filming. But yeah, we'll see how things go, and I'll update you on the progress.